Hello students, in this video we will continue with the graph of word problems exercise 4.3. So question 7 from the exercise, Yamini and Fatima together contribute rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Write a linear equation and draw its graph. So first one is to read the question and then make the equation. So how to suppose? Let Yamini contributed rupees X, Fatima contributed rupees Y, and according to the question, X plus Y is equal to 100. So here the equation is X plus Y is equal to 100, and from this equation I will find three solutions. Now when on right hand side I have 100, then no need to put the values of X and Y as 1, 2, 3. When on right hand side it is 100, on left hand side we will put the values as 10, 20, 30. Or you can also take X0 and Y0. So how to find the solution for the equation X plus Y is equal to 100? If I take X as 20, Y will be 80. If I take X as 50, Y will be 50. If I take X as 60, Y will be 40. You can suppose some other values according to your choice. Now we will plot its graph. Again we will plot the Cartesian plane. Now on the axis X and Y, we will not choose this scale as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will choose this scale either as 10, 20, 30 or as 20, 40, 60 according to the solutions of the equation. So here I am taking the scale on x-axis 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, and on y-axis again it is 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Again you will choose the same scale on x-axis as well as on y-axis. When we plot the graph, point A shows x20 and y80. Point B shows x50 and y50. Point C shows x60 and y40. When I join A, B and C, I am getting a straight line. That's the reason my graph is correct. Generally, graph of a linear equation in two variables will be a straight line as shown here. So clear students? Word problems are very important topic of this chapter. First you read the question, make the equation, find its three solutions and then plot the graph, and graph is always a straight line. Next, we take the next question. Next question is, if the work done by a body on application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express it in the form of a linear equation and draw its graph by taking constant force as 5 units. So this is a concept of physics. Let me suppose work done as y units and distance travelled as x units and constant force as 5 units. So what will be the equation? Work done is equal to force into distance and y is equal to 5x. So what is the equation? Y is equal to 5x. When I take its solution, x0, y0, x1, y5, x2, y10. So this is the graph of the equation y is equal to 5x. Again we plot the graph on the Cartesian plane. Point A shows x1 and y5. 0, 0 is shown on the origin, and point B shows x10, 2 and y10. And when we join them, again we are getting a straight line passing through the origin. So this is the graph of the equation y is equal to 5x. So I hope you are able to understand the word problem, then to make the equation and then plotting of graph. Next question from this exercise. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, and in India it is measured in Celsius scale. And what is the relation between F and C? F for Fahrenheit and C for Celsius. Relation is F is 9/5 C plus 32. So C will be shown as X and F will be shown as Y. We will show Y is equal to F and X is equal to C. How to find the solution? Generally we will take those value of C which are multiples of 5. If I take C as 0, that is X as 0, Y or is equal to F, it will be 32. If I take C as 10, F will be 50. If I take C as 20, F will be 68. On x-axis we will take C and on y-axis we will take F. Look at the graph. So here we have again plotted the Cartesian plane, taking the scale as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 on x-axis as well as on y-axis. When x is 0, y is 32 shown by point A. When x is 10, y is 50 shown by point B. When x is 20, y is 68 shown by point C. And when we join A, B and C, again we are getting a straight line. So in this way, we are able to plot the graph of linear equation in two variables in case of word problems. Now there are certain more parts of this question. Relation between F and C is F is 9/5C plus 32. Question arises, if C is 30, what will be F? So it's very simple. In place of C, we will put 30 and F will be 86 after simplification. Next part, if F is 95, find C. So in place of F, you will put 95 and that is equal to 9/5C plus 32. 95 minus 32, 63. And 9/5 when shifted on the other side, it will become 5/9. So C will be 35. When F is 95, C is 35. Next part, is there any temperature when F and C are both equal? So let I suppose F and C as X. Replace F and C by X in the equation. We will get X is equal to 9/5X plus 32. After simplification, minus 4/5X is equal to 32 and X is equal to minus 40. So at minus 40 degree, F and C both are equal. So this was all about this exercise, and in your home assignment, you will complete exercise 4.3. Thank you.